Hi everyone, so today we are going to do another LeetCode problem. The name of the problem is contains duplicate 2. So as per this problem we have to find whether in an array there are duplicates such that the difference of their indices is less than or equal to k. So for example, in this question k is given to be 3 and this is the vector that we have. So it has 1, 2, 3, 1. So clearly 1 is repeated twice and their indices will be 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 0 and 3. So the difference is 3 minus 0 or 0 minus 3. We have to take the absolute value. That should be less than or equal to k, which clearly is less than or equal to k because k is 3 and the difference is 3. So we have to return true. Now how we are going to solve this is we know that it will be better if we can compare the numbers directly instead of searching for the duplicates. So what we are going to do is we are going to make a vector of pairs and we are going to store each number along with its index, and then we are going to sort it and compare the alternative elements. So let's just begin. The condition here is that two distinct indices should be present, that is I should not be equal to j. So if I is not equal to j, then k cannot be equal to 0, right? So but as per the conditions, the input can be given as k equal to 0. So it is a corner case, we just have to deal with it. So if k is 0, then we are going to simply return false, and else we are going to do the actual algorithm that I said. So first let's just make a vector of pairs. Okay, so in a pair we are going to store the number and its index. So let's just do that. Less than nums dot size I plus plus. So vect dot push underscore back, and make underscore pair is the function name, nums of I comma I. Okay, now we will sort it. So by default, if you sort a vector, it will sort if you sort a vector of pairs, it is going to sort on the basis of the first element of the pair. So basically this will sort on the basis of nums of I. So we have sorted the vector. Now for int I equal to 0, I less than vect dot size minus 1 I plus plus. Now we are going to iterate the vector that we created. So the vector will look something like this. If we have 1, 2, 3, 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3. So after sorting, see, so this is before sorting. Now after sorting, how it is going to look? It is going to sort on the basis of the first element, right? So it will be 1 likes, and so the elements are sorted. Now we are going to sort, see this 0, 3, 2 ka index is 1 and 3 ka was 2. So this is how it is going to be. Okay, now if vec of I dot first is equal to vec of I plus 1 dot first. See, so here what we have done is we are comparing the first element of the pair for the entire vector with the next element of the vector. So the first is the actual nums, so we are comparing those for every each alternative pairs, and if it is true, then we are going to check the condition of I minus j. So vec of I, we are going to take the absolute value, so it does not matter, dot second, because we have stored index in the second part. If it is less than or equal to k, only then we are going to say that this is a valid case, which should return true. So if this is true, then we have to return 2. Okay, and once we have iterated for the entire vector, if we still don't find any answer, then it has to return a false. Let's run this code. Yeah, so this one is accepted. Let's try for another case just to be sure of any typos or anything. Yeah, so this solution is faster than 98% of the C++ solutions, and that is the reason why I've shared it. Thank you.